everyone, and welcome back to Live from the Workshop. I've been away, but here's my first video. Well, maybe my second, because I might do another video as well. You might have already seen that. So yes, Live from the Workshop, and today I am going to be making the Doctor, but I'm not going to be making one of the TV Doctors. I'm going to be making the Doctor from the Big Finish audio series, Fathom Five, because he is my favourite of all of the non-canon and non-TV Doctors, because he's very dark. He was the Doctor who believed the ends justified the means. If you haven't listened to full Fathom 5, I would listen to it because it is excellent. So today we are going to be making him. So let's get on with this. And here is my finished full Fathom 5 Doctor. It's quite a mouthful to say that. So yes, here he is. Now he's described in another story as having a dark blue jacket, but I took the idea of the red from a DeviantArt photo that somebody's done that I found on Google, in which he had a light blue shirt and a yellow bow tie, and I like the look of it, so I thought that's what I'd go with. And it makes him look slightly darker as well, which goes along with his personality, I think. So to give you a quick figure breakdown, overall this is a 4th Doctor figure from the 11th Doctor's box set, or I think the Seeds of Death one is the same. And then I've just used a Scarleone head from the City of Death, as it just fitted quite well, and it looked fair amount like David Collins, who voices the Doctor in full Fathom 5. The only thing I couldn't find, which I did want to add in, is I had Scarleone's pistol, and not to give too much of the story away, but pistols and guns play a large part in full Fathom 5, and it's fairly story integral, so I do want to try and find that and add it to give to him as a character. But overall, there he is finished, and I'm pretty pleased with how he's turned out. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, favourite, subscribe, share. It really helps me out a lot, and I shall see you all with another video very soon.